get the kind of rapid and complete healing results of nonviolent conversational hypnosis, you have to start thinking like a nonviolent conversational hypnotherapist, which is to say, with your unconscious mind. Now, this means letting go of all your familiar techniques and strategies. But don't worry, you can always pick them up back later if you still value them. To give you an idea of what I mean, let's look at the gerund form of the word should. Renowned psychologist Albert Ellis used to say that people are always shoulding on each other. Now, when I share this with clients, they can't help but give me that knowing grin. It rings true. It's a nasty habit. When I repeat the second half of Albert's observation, people also should on themselves. Clients get pensive. I mean, it's one thing to have to deal with someone else shoulding on you, but to realize you're shoulding on yourself? So how does nonviolent conversational hypnosis think about should? Well, we think in terms of opposites. So let me ask you, what is the opposite of I should? Not just should, but the opposite of I should. Now, I don't mean to put you on the spot, but did you come up with an answer? Well, you're probably thinking, hey, you're the trainer, you tell me. And I will. In fact, I'll give you two. But this is your chance to discover to what extent you already think like a nonviolent conversational hypnotherapist. So I invite you to hit the pause button and come up with an antonym for I should. Just click on that little vertical equal sign at the bottom of your screen. What's the opposite of I should? All right. Now that you've had a moment to consider, let's start off with the idea that the conscious mind produces thoughts, while the unconscious thinks. The thought that occurs most often is that the opposite of I should is I shouldn't. And that's fine. It's true. But if you came up with any other answer, congratulations. You've activated your unconscious. You're not using your unconscious, just listening to it, which is a feat in itself. There are several different opposites to I should, maybe as many as there are clients. When clients have their own opposites, they're not always saying what you think they are. They might be saying the exact opposite. My favorite opposite to I should is I want to. As in, well, why would I ever say I should do that if I want to? Try this. Think of something you really love to do. Maybe you love to cook or to play a favorite game or dance or go out with your friends. Now, say, I should do that thing. I should go play my favorite game. I should go dancing. I should go eat dessert. Have you ever said that before? I should do what I love to do. I love to play golf. I should play golf is a non sequitur. It makes no sense to my brain. It's a mirage. It doesn't exist. It cannot exist because I want to play golf. I want to erases I should. But there are plenty of things we do say I should to. I should exercise. I should diet. I should clean the house. I should be nicer to my coworkers. My mind only creates I should when I don't truly want to. Now, I can decide to do things that are healthy but not much fun. I can make that choice, but I'm deceiving myself if I say I want to. I want the healthy benefits. I don't want to exercise. So when your client says, I should, don't take the bait. Don't agree. And don't look for solutions, ways she can force herself to. Just let your curious mind wonder. Why doesn't she want to? Better yet, what does she want instead? Because her conscious mind likely doesn't know the answer, but her unconscious does. Now, I promised you two opposites, so here's one I learned from a young student athlete. When I asked her directly, she said, the opposite of I should is I can't. As in, if I can't, I can't. But if I can, then I have to. I must. I should. Try wrapping your brain around that one. And if you like the idea of thinking this way and want to see how it solves problems, consider a nonviolent conversational hypnosis course.